What's up, everybody? It's about 3:20-ish in the afternoon, p.m. Eastern Standard Time here, the night of the eclipse. We're in the backyard right here, and if you can see behind me, try to focus up there, is the sun. We were supposed to have about 90% coverage in this part of Massachusetts, starting in about 10 minutes. So I'll show you the whole setup we get going on here as the eclipse is going on, and then I'll show you what we get from the video that we're taking. We started at 3 o'clock, and it's now 3:25 according to this, so we should be hitting max. Well, what we're going to see from max coverage out there. It's noticeably dark outside. We've got the doggies out here. I can already hear the animals in the neighborhood making some wild noises. Come on, Noah. See if they react any different to it. It's noticeably darker out though, and you can kind of start seeing, I don't know what you can see. A little bit. You kind of see the reflection right there. You see the little half moon right there? That's the coverage so far. It's kind of a reflection. I don't know if you can hear, but you hear kids scream, but you can hear animals in the background. Animals are very confused. My dog Nola, who gets very sensitive to stuff. She doesn't want to leave the deck. Tommy's just moving around. He'd kill us, but it's wild. You can almost look directly at the sun without it even bothering you. Temperature feels like it's getting colder. I'm get that one camera on the weather station. I'm trying to record if the wind changes at all, if the temperature drastically drops, but it does feel significantly cooler, and you can see just the backyard itself. It should be nice and bright right now. We luck out. Our house has in the back, or I guess you could say technically the side, faces the southern hemisphere, so you get sun all day along back here. So this is quite interesting. Watching the birds, I don't know what to do. I did see some kind of squirrel or gopher or something run through the woods over there. The insects are starting to come out like crazy too. And the cars don't drive by. Here on the animals, every car's driving by has the headlights on. So I don't know if it's, can you turn them on or. Look at a squirrel. Looks like a baby squirrel. He's confused. He has no idea what's going on. Put a filter on the camera, see if we can see it better. But I think we've seen all we did, it's starting to get a little bit brighter. I think we hit the climax at this point. It's actually getting very noticeably brighter in the yard. So it was partial, I mean, it's still very bright. I just wanted to recap as I was editing the video. It was a little bit of a disappointment. So we were supposedly supposed to get 90% eclipse coverage up here in this north or Middlesex County, Essex County rather, in Massachusetts. And as you can tell by the video, very little change. The temperature did drop, as you can see, a few degrees. It did get slightly darker outside. We used glasses and a few other devices to try to capture it, and we got absolutely nothing. So, long story short, you would really have to be right in that main corridor to have caught the eclipse. So, the next one hits North America's in 20 years. But I have a feeling we're going to go some eclipse searching. I think there was a couple in other countries and stuff. So, we should have done it this time. We just got back from the big trip. Couldn't do it. But, well, a little bit. I wish there was more. I wish I could have showed you more, but that was about it. So, thank you guys for watching. See you later.